I was supposed to be a commercial pilot. I was recruited by one of the major airline in the Philippines back in the years. But during that time, I have to make a critical decision because my business was also starting, and eventually I decided to go for the business rather than go for the training for as a commercial pilot. But I guess the dream of flight would always linger inside, and when I had the chance to go for an aviation training, I did, and took my PPL, my private pilot license, and did some weekend flights, with the family, with friends. And eventually I found this place, Angeles City Flying Club, which is really conducive for the type of flying we do, which is mostly recreational. So here I am flying on weekends and managing my offices in weekdays. Well, my thoughts about space exploration. Well, it's the future, I think, and being asked if the Philippines would be ready for this program, I wouldn't have a doubt as far as human factor is concerned, because I've seen a lot of talented people. This is what I do, so I believe that there are a lot of talented Filipinos who could probably cope up with the requirements of space exploration. I don't have yet an idea about the budget of the government, whether this will be on their priority in the near future. But Philippines and the Filipino is a talented nation. I've seen workers, both skilled and professional, troubleshoot a lot of things administratively, whether technically. Filipinos can definitely do it with the proper support, I guess, with the government and the private sector. Philippines would probably be one of the major players in this endeavor. Yeah. I guess I just heard in the news just recently that there was a satellite platform that was designed by Filipinos and was launched together with the Japanese scientists. And it's all over the news now about the bill that has been submitted to form a space administration here in the Philippines, which will probably be the counterpart of NASA in the United States. So I guess on those developments, we could start pushing forward for the establishment of a space exploration program here in the Philippines. Well, information is very powerful. It's the basis of all, industries that has been built. So primarily, I guess we have to get people informed that there is an ongoing endeavor to push a space administration in the Philippines and space exploration. Also, we have to get young people involved into aviation, any type of aviation, whether it's recreational or commercial or non-commercial, because this is the platform of any space exploration. That initial leap from the ground, that would be an initial platform, and to get a future funding. we just have to unite, and I guess the private sectors would play a part in trying to unite people into making the government realize that space exploration would help the economy as far as telecommunications. This would have really a good impact in the economy, especially here in the Philippines or the whole Southeast Asia. There's a lot of things that could emerge from an space exploration situated here in Southeast Asia. Well, I've seen the site, and PhilippineSpace.com would probably help in the fast dissemination of information. Now with all our countrymen with access to social media, so I've seen on my travels, I've seen remote places, but they would have access into social media. So the people would have real-time access on information regarding the establishment of a space exploration program in the Philippines. So I guess PhilippineSpace.com would be a major player.
Request to you.
I guess on this kind of endeavor, affiliations are very important. So probably I could invite my associates to affiliate, with us into supporting this space exploration program. And these people would have their own organization, so they could probably help in a lot of ways. Whether it is funding, whether it is information dissemination, or any relevant undertaking in order to support the space exploration program. Well, to the general Filipino public, I encourage them to support the ongoing undertaking now for a space administration and exploration that will be based here in the Philippines. I think this is the time to unite, not for bureaucracy or issues which relatively is negative to the Philippines as a whole, but space exploration would be something that is beneficial to the general public and to the Southeast Asia region, and it will be a very good undertaking for this kind of endeavor to start here in the Philippines for the Southeast Asia region.